Hi everyone, hope you're all keeping well. Today I just thought I'd share this video with you of a Brabantia washing line spinner thing that I've just picked up from Amazon. It's a bit tatty, usual sort of Amazon delivery. It's either in a massive box or not packed at all. This is a 24 metres area for drying, and it's a wall fixed version, which means you can basically pop it on a wall as such on that photo there. Pull it out when you need it and then push it away when you're not using it. They do this in two versions, one with a bag, which is this one, and one with a metal box. I wanted the metal box one really, but it's extortionate price plus out of stock. I mean, this isn't exactly cheap either. I think this was 125 with delivery. So not cheap. There's a lot of clones out there for like £30–40, but looking at the reviews, I thought probably best just go for this one. I saw a couple of videos that looked quite good, so I thought I'd give it a try. The idea being you have something like this on your wall rather than taking space in your garden. Normally what we'd do is we'd have a pull out washing line there, or we'd put a spinner in, and it's not really something we want to do, especially now I'm trying to get the garden nice. If you don't want to be puncturing the pipes to the sprinkler system that I've just put in recently, or the wires for the guide wires for the mower. So yeah, trying to get the garden a bit tidier. You don't really want to be looking out, seeing all the washing, I guess, do you? So the idea is it goes on a wall. I was going to put it here on this garage wall, but we decided to put it elsewhere. So what we'll do is put it on the driveway instead. So the idea being, pop it here where this hanging bracket is at the moment. Well, we've got the wall plugs in ready. So just make sure that you put your nut and washer there, and then your spacer goes on the back like so, and then your spacer goes on the back. So that's the top bracket on. Right, we've got it up on the wall. As you can see, the rubber brackets behind. I don't know if you can see that, they just space it off the wall slightly. So it's very easy, you just pull the handle. There's no levers or catches or anything to unplug. And then this is, you pull it open, make sure that centralises into the bracket. Pull it and you hear a click, and that's it, it's up. So then to put it away, you just get the handle, you gently push it up, it releases the bracket there, and it's away. So it's not in use, it's neither here or there. Looking up the drive, you're not really going to notice anything. So you're not really going to notice anything. So a nice little tidy solution. And then when you need to use it, just take the cover off, pull it out, stick your washing on it, and the job's a good one. So I hope you found that useful. Please like any comments in the comment section, like if you need to ask any questions about it. It's took me probably 20 minutes to install it, along with fiddling around one-handed trying to take photos and videos. So hope you enjoy. Be safe. Bye for now.